Keyword density refers to the presence of specific keywords on a single page. In our template example, we consider various keywords such as outlining our local area, the name of our fictional company, and the services we offer. When selecting keywords for our website, it's crucial to carefully consider which terms will be incorporated. Once this decision is made, we can then focus on optimizing the density of these keywords.
For instance, we have identified Brecon and accountancy as two distinct keywords for this page. The next step involves integrating these keywords seamlessly into the content. We might incorporate phrases like accountancy services and name of location to achieve this. Adjustments may be necessary to ensure these terms fit well within the overall design.
Here's a straightforward example demonstrating how to enhance keyword density for both our location and service type in a manner that is natural and cohesive with the page layout. Additionally, we can explore other relevant keywords such as tax planning, VAT services, and payroll solutions. These can be localized in their descriptions to target specific regions or even expanded to cover a broader area. By continuously refining and adjusting our content, we aim to reach the ideal balance of keyword density.